module 9 folder. Tapos, type ls LA. Okay. Type md5 sum mytext.txt. md5 sum space hash check.txt. Type cat hash check.txt. Type echo change mytext.txt. Tail n1 mytext.txt. md5 sum mytext.txt. md5 sum c hash check.txt. id myhash dot txt. Hash id myhash dot txt. And then close terminal. Okay, so punta ulit tayo sa ECIWIN 11. Select natin yung File Explorer. Punta ulit tayo sa this PC. Dito. And then module 9. And then right click natin yung counter.js. Then select Open with Visual Studio Code. Okay, then select this and then okay. Click Open. Okay. Window host, okay. There's a problem. Ulit. Punta ulit tayo. Okay. Open. Yan. Open natin. So, select Run. Ito. Run. Wait lang. Ito. Python. Okay. And then select run and debug. Tapos select trust workspace. Tapos select this. Okay, and then yeah. Okay, observe the output of running the code in the bottom right above console. The output, as expected, is numbers 1 through 99 written to the screen one at a time. Okay, punta ulit tayo sa ACIW11 where the Visual Studio Code window is open. Okay. Right click. Wait lang. With the counter.js script loaded, highlight and right click on the entire for loop code, then select copy. Okay, here. Select natin lahat. And then copy. Select Microsoft Edge. And then type the following URL field, type obfuscator .io. Okay. Ayan na. Wait lang. Tama ba? Obfuscator.io. Enter. And then accept po natin. Nakakaroon. Kailangan mag-register. Dapat ito yung lalabas kaso hindi yun yung lalabas. So, yun, i-paste, right-click to, and then i-paste. Highlight and delete the default code. Wala kailangan, hindi siya working dito. So, yun nga, highlight and delete the default code, then right-click and select paste. I-paste yung ginapin natin kanina. So, yan, then select obfuscate. Select File Explorer tayo. Sana mag-work. And then, right-click down natin ito. And then, click Open. Open. Ulitin natin ulit. Open. Open. It's not working. Kasi yung una pa lang din nag-work. Okay natin yan. So, yun. Select ulit natin Open. Tapos, in the Visual Studio Code, close the counter.js.file. Close natin. Dito. Ay, dito. Okay. So, yun. Pupunta tayo sa Visual Studio and then, select natin Run and Debug. And then select Node.js from the available options. And then observe the output in the bottom right debug console. Discover the obfuscated code and the original source code both execute the same. And then go close yung Visual Studio. Go Studio Code, close the File Explorer, Close Microsoft Edge, and then we're done.